In the expansive realm of Greek mythology, Athena stands out as one of the most revered deities, embodying wisdom, strategy, and the intricate dynamics of human virtue. Born fully grown and armored from the forehead of her father, Zeus, her unique beginnings underscore her deep association with intellect and understanding. This miraculous birth not only signifies her divine nature, but also her emergence as a symbol of enlightenment and rational thought within the pantheon. As a goddess, Athena is primarily regarded as the embodiment of wisdom, intelligence, and strategic warfare. Her attributes reflect a profound commitment to rationality and discernment. In artistic representations, she is often depicted as a majestic figure, wearing a flowing robe, a helmet, and a shield, signifying her martial prowess and intellectual depth. Among her most recognizable symbols are the owl, which represents wisdom and is often associated with clear sight, the aegis, a protective cloak adorned with the head of a gorgon, and the olive tree, a gift that symbolizes peace and prosperity and connects her to the city of Athens, her primary center of worship. In addition to her martial virtues, Athena is celebrated as the goddess of crafts, arts, and practical skills. She embodies the belief that true wisdom transcends mere knowledge. It manifests in practical application and creative endeavors. Her expertise extends particularly to weaving, a skill that represents both artistry and domesticity in ancient Greek culture. As the patroness of weavers and artisans, Athena was often prayed to for success in craftsmanship. Her connection to the arts underscores the value of intellectual and practical pursuits in society, reflecting a cultural emphasis on skill and creativity as essential for progress and prosperity. Athena's approach to warfare is characterized by her tactical brilliance and strategic insight rather than an affinity for chaos or brute force, distinguishing her from Ares, the god of war. Her wisdom often culminates in her role as a strategist who mentors and guides heroes. In many myths, she intervenes during conflicts, providing valuable insight and support to those who exemplify courage and intellect. One of her most significant roles comes to light during the Trojan War, where she sides with the Greeks and offers her strategic wisdom to heroes like Odysseus and Achilles. Her clever contributions, especially the conception of the Trojan horse, showcase her resourcefulness and tactical insight, solidifying her reputation as a deity of cleverness and foresight. Another pivotal myth is the contest for Athens, where she competes against Poseidon for the city's patronage. While Poseidon offers a saltwater spring or a horse, Athena presents the olive tree, symbolizing peace and agricultural prosperity. The citizens choose Athena's gift, leading to her worship in the city and emphasizing the triumph of wisdom and civilization over brute force. Athena's myriad relationships illustrate her multifaceted character as both a warrior and a mentor. With Zeus, she enjoys a favored position. As his daughter, she embodies the qualities he values: wisdom, strategy, and innovation. Zeus often turns to her for counsel in matters of great importance. Athena's rivalry with Arachne, a mortal weaver, is particularly illustrative of her protective yet competitive nature. When Arachne boasted she could weave better than the goddess, Athena, in a fit of rage, transformed her into a spider, emphasizing the importance of respecting the divine and the consequences of hubris. This story not only underscores Athena's status as a protector of crafts, but also reflects the complexities of rivalry and mentorship woven through divine relationships. In assisting various heroes, from Perseus to Heracles, Athena's guidance extends throughout Greek mythology, showcasing the idea that wisdom and courage must work in tandem to triumph over adversity. Her supportive role highlights her significance as a mentor and protector for those pursuing noble endeavors. Athena's cultural importance reached its pinnacle in Athens, where she was venerated as the city's patron goddess. The Parthenon, a magnificent temple dedicated to her, stands as an architectural marvel and symbol of Athenian pride. The temple's intricate sculptures and engravings depict various myths and stories associated with Athena, reinforcing her central role in the cultural identity of the city. The annual Pantheon festival celebrated her contributions through athletic and artistic competitions, processions, and sacrifices, underscoring her dual role as a warrior and a patroness of the arts. This festival not only honored Athena, but also fostered a sense of community and pride among Athenians. Moreover, the influence of Athena transcended mythology. She resonated with philosophers and writers who sought to embody her ideals of intelligence, rationality, and ethical conduct in their works. Her legacy inspired countless narratives and explorations of moral and philosophical questions, ensuring her relevance throughout history. Athena stands as a powerful embodiment of wisdom, strategy, and creativity within the Greek pantheon. As the goddess of wisdom in battle, she exemplifies the importance of intellect and cunning over mere strength, shaping both warfare and the everyday lives of mortals. Through her rich mythology, complex relationships, and cultural significance, Athena remains a pivotal figure in ancient Greek mythology, reflecting the virtues and ideals that were revered in society.